It's me, Marion, or aka missfootfixer. We have this wonderful toenail here. Ta-da! And it's a bit infected and it's a bit damaged. And today we are going to remove the nail. Do you want to tell everybody what happened to the toenail? Anything? Do you want to tell everybody?
Oh, football injury.
Football injury. Or you? What position do you play?
Left back.
Left back. I'm just going to remove the nail, and you can watch or you can not watch. And I'm just going to start doing it. But yeah, how did you score from all the way back?
I managed to get out the field for quite a bit as well.
That's good. You'll be like, if it was like a Champion League, right? Like that game that people play, you'll be loads of points. Because it's rare, right?
Yeah, it's pretty rare.
Yeah. But is that your best position?
It is, yeah.
So we're just popping it out. It just comes out very, very easily. Yeah. So we're just popping this all out. Voila. Nice. So the nail is removed. It's just doing some tidy out now. I just want to remove all this potential fungus debris. Amazing. So we're just going to do a check. Okay, wonderful. So that's all done. Easy peasy. I'm going to do a dressing. Return of blood flow, which we do. So we know that the vascular supply has returned.